In this video we're going to look at division. The first question is, what is 66 divided by 3? First we need to set this out correctly. Now here it is set out correctly. So let's do the division. How many 3's go into the first 6? Well, that goes in 2 times. So we write the 2 at the top. And then we do 3. How many 3's go into the next 6? Which is again 2. And we stop there. So 66 divided by 3 is 22. Here are some further sums for us to practice with. Here's the first one. 34 divided by 2. Now, first we say how many 2's go into 3? Well, there is 1 2 and 1 left over. And the 1 goes with the 4 to make 14. Now we say how many 2's go into 14? Well, that goes in exactly 7 times and nothing left over. So 34 divided by 2 is 17. Now let's look at the next question I've enlarged. 162 divided by 9. So first I would do how many 9's go into 1? Well, as 1 is smaller than 9, there will be no 9's into 1, so I have to carry over the 1 to the next column. How many 9's go into 16? Well, that goes in once and 7 left over, so that goes to the next column. How many 9's into 72? Goes exactly 8 times. So my answer for 162 divided by 9 is 18. Let's look now at the last example. 212 divided by 4. So first I say how many 4's go into 2? Well, again, there is 0 as 2 is less than 4. So I carry on my 2. How many 4's into 21? Well, that goes 5 times, carry 1. How many 4's into 12? Goes exactly 3 times. So my answer is 53.